Hi, I'm Lindsay with Apartment Guide. Got someone special coming by your apartment for the first time? Exciting! But there are some guidelines, so you don't blow your first impression. Being nose blind is a real thing. You may not be smelling it, but your trash might knock over someone else. Be safe and take it out from all the rooms. Run your garbage disposal too. It can also harbor smells. If you play sports and you don't do laundry right away, or if you leave wet clothes and towels lying around, your guests could smell the evidence. Run a load or two of laundry, and go ahead and pick up any that's lying around on the floor or furniture. I'm not looking. You don't want your guests to find a half-eaten sandwich in the sofa cushions. You also don't want them to step in a puddle that your puppy left. So tidy up, wipe the kitchen counters, run the vacuum, and hide any dead plants, especially at your front door. Oh, and pick up dead bugs, too. Seriously. Then look at items that are laying around or are on your walls. What do they say about you and your lifestyle? Don't offer a drink and then discover you have to serve it in a disposable cup from the gas station. But do offer a drink. Last tip, make sure you have toilet paper, a clean toilet, no hairs in the bathroom sink, and a hand towel of some kind. Hide your tub if it's grungy. You don't get a second chance at your apartment's first impression. Make yours count.